Does Philips Smart TV have AirPlay? Yes, many Philips Smart TVs support Apple AirPlay, but compatibility depends on the TV model and operating system. Philips Android and Google TVs, newer models, often include AirPlay 2, allowing users to wirelessly stream content from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. However, some older or non-Android Philips TVs may not support AirPlay without an external device. 1. AirPlay is available on many new Philips Smart TVs. Philips has integrated AirPlay 2 into several of its newer OLED, Mini LED, and 4K Android TVs. With AirPlay, users can mirror their screen, stream videos, play music, and display photos directly from an Apple device to the TV. 2. How to check if your Philips Smart TV supports AirPlay. To find out if your Philips Smart TV has built-in AirPlay, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, then Connectivity, then Apple AirPlay if available. If AirPlay is listed, enable it and follow the setup instructions. If there is no AirPlay option, your TV may not support it natively. 3. How to use AirPlay on a Philips Smart TV. To stream content using AirPlay, ensure your Apple device and Philips TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone or iPad, swipe down to open Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring, then select your Philips TV from the list. Enter the AirPlay code, if prompted, to establish the connection. Your Apple device's screen will now be displayed on the TV. 4. AirPlay alternatives for non-compatible TVs. If your Philips Smart TV does not support AirPlay, you can still stream Apple content using Apple TV Box, connects to any TV via HDMI, and supports full AirPlay features. Google Chromecast works with Philips Android TVs and allows iOS streaming through Chromecast-enabled apps. Third-party AirPlay apps. Some apps available on Philips Android TVs can enable AirPlay-like streaming. 5. Benefits of using AirPlay on a Philips TV. Wireless streaming. No need for extra cables to stream from Apple devices. Screen mirroring. View apps, games, and presentations on a bigger screen. Multi-room audio with AirPlay 2. Sync music across multiple AirPlay-enabled speakers and TVs. Better integration with Apple ecosystem. Works seamlessly with iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks. Many new Philips Smart TVs support AirPlay 2, making it easy to stream content from Apple devices. If your TV does not have built-in AirPlay, using an Apple TV, Chromecast, or third-party app can provide similar functionality.